Cause yourself on top roofing. You run. To where? You are a wish, madam. Are you naked? Why they give you clothes? Who give you clothes? Oh, it's reading.
Yeah, I feel.
You don't know anything. No. You not do me anything. I'll let you go say my own wish pass your own. What do they do on top this roofing? And they talk to you.
Answer.
May they come carry you down, flog you. You they look me. Madam, where be your house? You not get house? Now where you they do meeting? They come from meeting, your fuel finish. Now dear God catch you. You see? Foul. You they say foul. Now foul, now waiting, foul, now winch.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about one video when I just see for Facebook street just now. The video, the woman dey on top of a Zik, no Zik now, on top of roofing for Nigeria. So they ask the woman question. They ask and say, Madam, where you they go? Where you be they fly they go? The woman said they set me up. So now the other woman. So they ask the woman question. Say, you be one fly. Now you see yourself for this. The woman they say they set me up. They set me up. Now I see myself for here. Okay. The other woman now they talk about the woman man say you be wish, you be the fly they go. Now you can't see yourself on top of roof for here. You be wish, you be wish. It be not be wish now. I don't say Africa. Anything we be say we just see like this man and wish. Anything at all and wish. Una know the way African people they behave. Not be so una no know. He said the woman and wish you be one fly, madam. They go deal with you. They go do you this one. They go do you this one. What will they do for top of Zik? I not say many wish they do like that too. I not be saying wish not the Africa. But maybe they for say listen to this woman first. I know what to make and they up there. You understand? They know you ask her. All of them now want start. I know say na beat the come they beat this woman now. You go confess today. You go know the way Africa they do now. Not be so na no know. So as I see the video just now, the thing just shocktalized me. Say, which kind of wishing something comes to be this one again, my people. Africa with our mentality. Africa people, una o pass Joromi. Una o pass Joromi, like seriously. May we take things easy sometimes, you understand? So as I see the video just now, I say, no man can tell my people. Make una come hear what the apple for Isai Abule. Waiting they play for Isa Abule. Now say make I can say tell you now. Now know the way Africa, the way would they behave for wish matter. They know they use wish matter till they play for Africa. Oh, they know they use our play. Oh, this woman and God go say even though they not be wish, they should go even use force confess to this saying and wish. You know Africa now. You know Africa say their own to because they don't talk just now. Say go bring tire, go bring this. That's so they'll go burn this woman through way now. Person where they will not be wish now. If they'll come say na wish. He said they set me up. Una no wait to be the setup. Una not let her talk. Oh now wish she be. This woman and wish. This woman and wish. More na take things easy sometimes. More na take things easy sometimes. Africa people una o pass Joromi. Una matter. He pass Joromi. All una things na just wish. Everybody na wish. It might be say this woman not be wish now. Una don't carry wish for no. Person say they set me up. Una don't know the type of setup when it be Africa. But I me share this video. It might be saying that your sister and I mean you go rescue before they born her. Because Africa, any small thing and wish. Any small thing. They don't know what it be different. You see get one time, one boy. The boy, he gets all those boys where they get John Thomas and the Bekus. Like the boy get. They say now wish they never see this cat if I was like, are you kidding me right now? Wetin dey Europe here? Wetin come for Europe? They say they never see that kind of thing. That's how they go deal with the boy. That's how the boy that this now this though. Now wish people that they get how much say they don't allow that small boy talk. That's why they beat her. I was like, now let be a busy talk for that matter. That I say Africa wanna go civilize. This woman now, when I don't know the meaning of wish and this thing now don't change her. Say the woman and wish now. How this kind of woman now if it deny this thing now for body? It go hard. It go hard, my people. Africa, we need to grow up, I beg. Mona grow up. Some of una need more mature sometimes. Because una mentality pass Jerome. No, not my voice, so I get kata. I make my voice be like this. So my people, please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. So anything you want to take about the video, I'm going to leave in a comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.
Madam, they set you up.
My money, they don't collect.
Now you can see yourself on top roofing. You run. To where? You are a wish, madam. Are you naked? Why they give you clothes? Who give you clothes? Oh, it's reading.
Yeah, I feel.
You don't know anything. You know do me anything. I'll let you go say my own wish pass your own. What do they do on top this roofing? And they talk to you.
Answer.
When they come carry you down, flog you. You they look me. Madam, where be your house? You know get house? Now where you they do meeting? They come from meeting. Your fuel finish. Now dear God catch you. You see? Foul. You they say foul. Now foul. Now waiting. Foul. Now winch. Why they give you clothes? Why did they give you clothes? That's part of a woman. They're not supposed to give you clothes. Yes. Where be your house? Where they call your people? Madam. Now tire. When I go bring tire. Oh. Go inside my cup and don't start about I have tire. They don't talk this year. I just for my life.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Madam, mo ti pe ọkọ yín. Mi ò tí ó lóun bọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan àdẹ̀ tó ń gbúrò ẹ̀ mọ́ sí i. Ọmọ mélòó lẹ ti bí fún wọn? No, you should be able to answer this. Madam, èmi mo bí yín nìkan. Ìgbà mo ṣàdé ṣé mo fọ́ ọgbọ̀n.
That pieces everything finish.